Log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side menu, click Apps. Select all recommended apps, then click on Shopify App Store. Once in the App Store, type Seers into the search bar. Find the Seers GDPR Cookie Banner and click Install. After installation, the plugin will automatically redirect you to the dashboard. From your left side, you will see different options. We will discuss all these options one by one. If you click the Consent banner, you'll find two options, General and Appearance. Select the desired regulation from the Regulation drop-down menu. The available options are GDPR and Global Privacy Laws. Global Privacy Laws is a premium feature, while GDPR is already activated by default. Next, we have the language option. English is already added by default, and you can add additional languages with a premium account. Below that, you'll see the geo-target location setting. These options are only available with a premium account, so they cannot be accessed on the free plan. On the right, you can select the global privacy laws you want to comply with and the laws you're currently compliant with. Finally, there's the language auto-regional detection feature, which is also a premium option. You can enable this once you've upgraded to a premium account. Next, we have the Appearance tab on the left. Clicking on it will reveal the Cookie Banner toggle, which allows you to show or hide the banner. You'll also find the option to enable the badge. This allows users to change their consent preferences at any time if activated. The other three options, Manage Badge Customization, Record Consent, and Subdomain Settings, are premium features. Finally, there's the Consent Frequency setting, which controls how often you ask for user consent. You can select from always, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly options. Don't forget to click Save Changes to apply your settings. In the Appearance tab, we have two options, Settings, which we've already covered, and Visuals. Next is Visuals. Here, you can change the appearance of your banner. Firstly, we have the Accept button. You can change the button text here, just like we did with the previous settings. If you want to modify the button's color, simply click and select your preferred color. Next, we have the Reject button. You can edit the text here, just like the Accept button. To change the button's color, click and choose your desired color. Next, we have the Cookie Setting button and, under it, the Banner Text button. Customize the text here the same way as the Accept and Reject buttons. You can also change the color by clicking and selecting your preferred shade. Next, we have Button Style. This offers 4 styles: default, flat, rounded, and stroke. Pick the style that best suits your store. Next, we have Display Style. We have 3 styles: Banner, Model, and Tooltip. When you click Banner, you will find different options such as top-bottom, top-hanging, bottom-hanging, and hang preference. You can choose which one you want to use. In the model, we have 2 position options, universal and standard. In the tooltip, we have 4 position options, bottom left, bottom right, top left, and top right. Next, we have the cookie preference logo, a premium feature. With a premium account, you can upload your logo here. The Choose Font and Size option allows you to adjust the font style and size according to your preferences. At the bottom, you'll find the Powered by Seers option. To remove this branding, you'll need to purchase a premium account. The following section on the left is Track Manager, a premium feature available only through the Seers web app. Following that is the Frameworks tab, which includes various premium features. You can enable the Privacy Policy option in the Privacy Policy tab by toggling the button. Add your privacy policy link and click Save. Premium features include the Cookie Policy Generator and Privacy Policy Generator. Next is Reports. It is also a premium feature. Next, we have the User's Guide. Here, you find 2 options: Documentation and Help and Support. Click on Open for a documented guide or contact us for help. Below that, you'll see the Pricing Plan section. You can choose the plan that best suits your needs to unlock premium features. Next, there is a Support section. Beneath it, you'll find the Need of Any Help. option where you can reach out for further assistance. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find links to our social platforms to stay connected.